Welcome back. Apple's worldwide developer conference is coming in next 2 days, and there are so many new things which are going to happen. And on the first day, Apple is going to announce iOS 14. There will be so many new features which are coming in iOS 14, but most importantly, Apple is going to change the name of iOS 14. And Apple is going back to its original iOS name. Before 2010, Apple was calling its OS as Apple iOS. And in 2010, when the iPad was launched, they changed their Apple OS name to iOS. And from there till 2020, and this is going to end in 2020's Worldwide Developer Conference of Apple. And according to me, moving back to the original name makes sense. Making one single operating system that works everywhere is hard. Microsoft has been trying and failing to do that for decades. Apple had a real chance with iOS. They could have had Apple OS that worked on iPhones, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch and future devices like their Air glasses. Each device could have tailored the UI to its own needs, but that would have been hard. Instead, now we have iPhoneOS, iPadOS, watchOS, macOS, and soon glassOS. Making separate OS is a great thing so that Apple can tweaks the features according to the OS. Now, what are the devices which will get iOS 14 or Apple OS 14? And here is a big news that iPhone 6s, which was debuted in 2015, 5 years back, will still get iOS 14 or Apple OS 14. And here is a list of devices which will get iOS 14. It includes iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, iPhone SE, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPhone XR and XS range, iPhone 11 range, and obviously iPhone 12 and 12 Max, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will come with iOS 14 pre-installed. Now if you think that's it, no, there is another big news that Apple might change the name of iPhone to Apple Phone. According to some leaksters, they claim that Apple will change the name of iPhone to Apple Phone, and this looks very odd. So guys, that was it for today. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and share your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you tomorrow.